Have you ever felt stuck in a negative mindset? Do you find yourself overwhelmed by self-doubt and limiting beliefs? It's time to awaken the power within you through the transformative influence of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are simple, yet powerful statements that can reprogram your subconscious mind and help you shift your perspective towards a more positive and empowering mindset. As you repeat these affirmations daily, you tap into the limitless potential that resides within you. You change your self-talk from pessimistic to optimistic, from doubtful to confident. The impact of positive affirmations is truly remarkable. They can boost your self-esteem, reduce anxiety, and increase your motivation to pursue your goals. Affirmations have the power to rewire your brain, creating new neural pathways that support your success and well-being. To make the most of the power of positive affirmations, it's important to choose statements that resonate with you personally. Craft affirmations that reflect your desires, strengths, and aspirations. Repeat them with conviction and belief, visualizing yourself already embodying the qualities or experiences you desire. Embrace the present moment and the transformation it brings. So, let's take a moment now to practice together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat after me. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I am deserving of love, success, and happiness. I am enough, just as I am. Now, open your eyes and feel the shift in your energy. Embrace the newfound confidence and positivity within you. Remember, you have the power to manifest your dreams and create the life you truly desire. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. We hope this video has inspired you to harness the power of positive affirmations in your own life. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring videos. It's time to unleash your inner power and live your best life. Thanks for watching.